Hi guys, tingnan nyo yung eggplant namin. Ang cute, ang daming bunga. Ayan, isang puno lang yan, ang daming bunga guys. So cute. Ayan, yung isang malaki gagawin kong seeds para next year may tatanim naman kami. Ang cute guys, isang puno lang yan, ganda. Ito yung aming alugbati guys. Ayan, ang lalapad ng dahon, tingnan nyo, ang ganda guys. Ayan. Ang sarap i-fry, lagyan ng egg, tapos i-fry, crispy siya, ang sarap. Ayan, ito yung alugbati namin dito, nalalapad ang dahon kasi i-fry pag nagluto, tapos yung iba isa salad, mixed vegetables. Ang cute, marami pa rin guys, sinusunod ko lang katanggal yung dahon. Ang ganda pagtubo ng mustasa namin guys, tingnan nyo, ang tataba. Ang bilis lang. Ang bilis lang nila tumubo. Ang dami ang dami. Yung pichay kaunti lang ang tumubo. More on what you call that, mustasa. Ang dami.
Big purple cabbages out here ready. Okay, I'll come get one. Okay, and got a whole bunch of little yellow pear tomatoes. Oh, okay.
Ang dami guys. Ang cute naman nila. Ayan.
I got these. Do something that you're gonna be sorry for, like not going and something happens. You do what? Oh, that just don't do that.
Wow.
Oh, that's a heavy one.
Hello guys, good morning. Andito kami ngayon at mag-harvest ng cabbage. Okay, start my lab.
Yeah.
Ano na yan, pang third na lavender cabbage. Yan.
We will clean it out there so I can give this to the chickens.
Okay, my lab. Yan, pangatlo na yan siya guys.
There's a big one too.
Yeah, that's enough. Next time again. Meron pa guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nagtatago siya. 10. May 10 pa. There's a new one, my love. New cabbage growing up.
Are you poo-pooing? I'm thinking it's a pumpkin maybe. It's just not turning orange yet.
Tiny.